Today marks a proud milestone for Bennett University. This academic institution is celebrating its 7th annual convocation. On your screens also you can see graduates joining me, and not just graduates but faculty and special guests have all come here today to celebrate years of hard work and resilience, and finally it has come to a culmination for many. We'll now be speaking to, in fact, tossing it over to these graduates from Bennett University and understand what this journey has meant for them. Over to you first. Tell me which course you have studied from Bennett and what has been your biggest learning.
So I did my MBA from Bennett University. It was an amazing experience and I missed my college days a lot.
Right. Which faculty experience has also been the best for you so far?
Faculty experience is best for me is marketing. Marketing is best in MBA.
Marketing was your favorite, you're saying?
Yes.
Now, you tell me, you're also a young graduate here. Which stream are you graduating for? How was your experience?
BTech CSE I have graduated from, but one of my favorite faculty experiences would be Warden sir, because he saved me from every situation that I was in.
Acha, so your warden relationships is the one that you're going to be missing so much. You tell me, which course are you graduating for? How has Bennett been for you?
I'm graduating from BTech CSE and it's been really good. I enjoyed every moment, even the bad moments I enjoyed them.
So, engineering generally considered a very rigorous curriculum. How did you feel? Do you feel that Bennett has prepared you to be able to tackle real professional world challenges as well?
It has. In fact, I'm working in an MNC right now and I'm I am confident enough to be there and work. So it has all come from Bennett University.
So you're already speaking to a corporate employee, correct?
Yeah.
That's excellent. Tell us about your journey. How was the convocation also like? We had Ritesh Agarwal, the founder of OYO. We also had Mr. Godrej here as well. What has been your learnings?
It was a great experience with the convocation, and I'm graduating BTech CSE as well. The lab infra is the best here. That's what I can say.
The infrastructure, you found it to be the best.
Yeah, it's pretty much a Bollywood campus, all that I can say.
A Bollywood campus is also what students are telling us. So tell us, what have you graduated? Are you also an engineering student?
Yes, I'm also an engineering student. I've just graduated right now. I did my computer science here. Yeah, so talking about my college experience, it has been a mixture of everything.
Right.
So it's been academics, it has been sports, it has been relationships, it has been friendships, right? So I think a very good mix.
Well-rounded.
Exactly. So I guess convocation is just the icing on the cake right now.
Now, convocation is the icing of the cake is what students are also telling us. So definitely a lot of joyous faces, a lot of excitement all around us as we report from the Bennett University campus here in the National Capital Region. Joining us now is also a very lovely family. Ma'am, how does it feel? Your son is graduating today.
I'm very proud. I'm very proud.
How has this journey been for you? Which course were you studying in?
I was studying BCA and it was a very wonderful journey, especially because my specialty was gaming. I had a lot of fun, especially in game labs.
Wow. So gaming is what you've been studying?
Yeah.
Ma'am, did it never feel ki gaming pad raha hai ladka, what the career is going to turn out like?
No, ma'am. It's very opportunities in gaming, so it's okay.
So innovation first, many opportunities. Even parents are telling us this. As you can see, a nice little selfie corner has also been set up where families can join in. There is another student here. Tell us about your specialization. What course are you graduating from today?
I graduated from BTech CSE in the AI specialization.
AI specialization. So, these days everything is about artificial intelligence, leveraging and prompts. What has been your crucial learning? Do you think AI is going to come for our jobs?
See, AI is not going to come for our jobs. Personally, I feel AI is going to be a good helping hand and those who excel at utilizing it. And we should consider AI as a partner in our journey so that we can go forward with the help of AI. Right. At the end of the day, it's just a tool and we are the masters.
How empowered do you feel, having studied AI at this level in your university level itself, to now be stepping into the professional world as well?
As I stepped into the professional world as a junior AI dev when I got placed, I do feel that yes, the learning that we have, the university has curated for us, it has been really helpful, and right out of the box, we do know a lot of things which the people do have to take trainings for and then study and have certifications.
So already well prepared you are.
we've been very well prepared through the rigorous AI program. It has been a blessing.
So this academic, all-rounded nature that we're witnessing right now on the faces also of the graduates that we are speaking, everyone's super proud and confident as they embark upon their new journeys. More parents joining us now, ma'am. Proud moment indeed. Your son's graduated, a BBA graduate now. How does it feel? How confident are you of his future prospects?
I am very, very happy and feeling amazing. I mean, it's like he's achieved one milestone now in his life. I think it's time to look at next one. And I think he's well equipped and well ready because he studied from an institute like Bennett University. It definitely has empowered him and made him knowledgeable to look ahead and make his future as bright as he can.
That is amazing. So you're confident that the university has been able to mold him in a way wherein his journey can take another step forward. So what would you also like to say? What's the background of your family as well with him also taking up BBA?
See, a nice question actually. I'm into business development only. I'm into export and import business and pharmaceutical business.
Right.
And she's also working with the CSR Airtel. So that is the reason that maybe he opted for qualification like for education in business administration only. And I think that it's a first milestone that he has crossed. Many more things to be done in future. So let's
But one thing I'd like to
congratulate
say,
him.
the university has played a very vital role in terms of empowering him and giving him the exposure that definitely should be given to every student.
The exposure comes.
Yeah. We are really thankful.
So now what I want to understand from you is your parents have spoken about the academic rigorous of the nature of the studies here. Talk to me also about the extracurriculars, the co-curriculars that were offered to. How interested were you in them?
Actually, what I participated in was badminton, swimming, and talking about the offering of extracurriculars, they were offered well, but depends mostly on the students how they want to utilize.
How did you like the facilities? Badminton, you said that you were interested in.
Facilities were good, but students were fine to avail for the facilities.
I see. So definitely we're seeing that both the mixture of academic, rigorous nature of curriculum as well as extracurriculars which are offered here are currently right now will be missed by the graduates as they embark upon their further journeys. With video journalist Sachin Rawat, this is Kritika Tiwari for Times Now.